catch corner sign notice so. But the most important thing, we will be for car serious on sign notice so I will do interaction. And I believe say we will not get no doubt because as we don't establish the center and a center where they deal with governance issues, a lot of things. We don't get a lot of stakeholders that we don't come between our meetings. So we want to say because our job as CMTs is so paramount to we, and we believe say CMTs then now the only now the sustainable component that this project will implement when the non-state actors program we will do accountability and transparency with local councils and ministry department and agencies. We believe that una will train, una be the sustainable roots them for we now all the works them we una do. And because of that, bring una together for let we can first of all let we can understand ourselves and other people within the various words them and also discuss briefly and share with experiences them when we get now various words them. And we do it through we leaders then. Not to everybody go get opportunity for talk, but we go get opportunity to the leaders and let them tell me from the time we train now what you don't do so far and what you plan for you and what you see. So this is the opportunity for us to interact and we will continue to make that interaction. Then another thing why we are here, we want to tell the people of Sierra Leone say we are still united and ready for look at accountability and transparency for SECA for push development programs then. When I see the new drive, government there two priority. They get the flagship component when the education, they get the other flagship program where they fight against corruption. Not so. So it is us, you as CMT's community monitoring team, where they help for fight against corruption, and we they fight against corruption. We fight, we make sure that the correct thing happen in the world state and in the community. So we help Papa government. First of all, to promote the flagship component on education, we also help government for also contribute for fight corruption. For how we help, because we are CMT, they monitor the service delivery, where the councils, the ministry, department, agencies, they operate within their sectors there. Now we they monitor and give Papa government feedback. Say, hey, yeah, something not happen now, something they go well. Because any time government put in money, we for no say government not put in money, and government want to see result. But today, with everything free, nobody know they monitor. Today again, we can give a kind of a document where a card where they attest and where they show and say una de na a particular word and una they represent we and Papa government for monitor. Where the tag them where the ID cards them we can provide for today. Where the wear the t-shirt you get any side you show. Because now you make one watch out, you get government logo. For tell you say, government get interest by what you they do. And since government get interest by what they do, now they make use of the coat of arms. And we the non-state actors there, and we also guide them. As I say, we not get a whole lot of role for play. But we promise you say, we they give something like what they show say, we are part of this whole system. We don't prepare them now, we can't do that today. This marks how we are no can get meeting. Let us have know the colleagues there. Una they over now up to 100. And I tell you now, the new we don't submit and the final report now they can submit for tell the NSA and the country say una they work and una don't start for work. And besides, we want to make sure say all over this country, all over Bombali, Karina district, forget community monitoring team now all the words them. So that we go for really tell Papa government say this thing where they do now a service what government provide is correct or is not correct, and for advice appropriately. And we also we not say we mandate that for look at the procurement protocols and procedures there, whether they follow the procurement process. Somebody when a contractor they come to you, we for even ask questions how they manage get a contractor there, whether for monitor what he did and contract and how you follow the team. For ask questions, not to say me. So for a day today, we want to encourage you and say, today na a day we will not for waste time. Na day we believe say we can for know ourselves, share knowledge, and a day we can for add value to ourselves. All the can get a paper there, all the show to people them say this kind of. But in the event that we notice say in the politics too much with them people here. You know, when as politician full, they want to undertake monitoring program. Then it's as if we not go from get the result we want. I would expect say with that tax there, whosoever come na the community we want for ask una a few questions. Una go show una show the cards and to the people. This is will not say you are coming from a background, and we continue for provide. And non-state actor, they can't visit we. They tell me say they go finally give we accreditation for make sure say whatever una monitor, we dey share them to them, we dey share them to the government, we dey share them to council, we dey also share them to the NPPA, National Procurement Public Procurement Authority. All they get interest for know what they do. And today, Mark say, for also know and interact, whatever this discussion we want to make here today, we put that into record and make sure say the people know and know say we all together. As soon as see the people there, the BB people okay today. This is not Mr. Wilson, one of the report. All the newspaper, all they come up, one of they see not at times. Lot of things they happen for this. Now the architect this. Again, he also a boss for the all the work. Where you see he can have a take record and no say on a value. Now that. Now then people they promote internet, everything, anything that they do now and they say this mouse when I say it's small. Now I'm the manager for Radio Mangrene. And I say how is it all of them things they will not tell them for say the people that they bring now will not get nothing for Gideon, will not get anything, but they value so much that one people they know say they can and they can with that kind of thing. Once more, I want to tell you thank you, and I believe say we not go for tell and we expect the one day one of the team leaders there for giving a summary of what they do and what they intend for do, so that we not go left here by 11:30 for all left here. Inshallah, that's the